Well, snowstorm of the century is coming, and I'm gonna get ready for it. Get right out the walkway, driveway, and everything. Okay, this is like a day later. There's like at least 3 inches or so of sleet on the ground, plus more snow, blowing snow. Probably get a couple more inches or so of snow. This is the quietest I've seen in this area in a long time. Hardly any traffic in this street all day, and especially on the main road. Very little traffic. Didn't get as much snow as we thought we would, but it's still quite a bit. Still not hardly anybody out here. Well, main road up here, it is quiet. See an occasional car come through here every so often, but I tell you what, I haven't seen it this quiet in a long time. Like the gas station down there is open, but very little traffic. Wow, like a ghost town. Imagine we got the 15 or 20 inches of snow. Been a whole lot worse than this. Still some flurries coming down. Sound like somebody's stuck. Like that car right there is stuck. Oh man. Wow. It ain't no joke out here. Well, businesses are open, but of course, hardly nobody's in them. Wow. Hey, well, I've seen enough. I'm heading back. I don't know. I don't see myself going to work tomorrow, even if they do call normal procedures. This is messed up.